Wow. Okay. Mystery solved. Now I understand exactly. Um, I'm sitting here. I'm in downtown Waynesboro, and in front of me is this is a sister house, you could say, of the red brick house. Federal style house with, of course, the three windows across the top. You can't see the one window right here because there's a chimney there. This house, when you look at the front of it, looks exactly like the red brick house. And what you see is you see a window, another window, and another window. Three. Okay, so let me go to the front of it because now it makes sense. Because what I would always say when I'm upstairs at the red brick house, I don't know why there were two doorways into what is now our bedroom. I was like, it doesn't make any sense why they had two there, because it literally was two doorways going to the bedroom. So let's go around around the corner here and look at the house. And now it makes complete sense. So give me a second here. Boy, a lot of traffic in downtown Waynesboro. A lot more than there used to be, I'll say that much. We're talking about a small changing and evolving. This is like the old part of town that we're in, which is beginning to have a renaissance, so to speak. Downtown, we've got more restaurants and things that are coming through. This used to be the corner hardware store, and it was an incredible, oh my God, Heritage on Main, the building here with the brick painted white. He sold it, and now it's a really good Indian restaurant. And we have another restaurant that's opening up here coming soon, Papa's Kitchen. Can't wait to try that too. And I see somebody is, they're painting the stucco out here on that one, so I don't know what that's going to be. Now we have the P. Buckley Moss Museum right here, rest her soul. And here is the sister house to the red brick house. Now, what you'll notice is the doorway is on the left. In 1836, they moved it from the center to the left. But now, when we get back over to the red brick house, I'll tell you why it makes so much sense. Jeez. I'm sitting here and it's just like dumbfounded that why didn't I think about that? Because I've always said I don't know why they have two doorways to the bedroom. Now we know why. Okay, so when you look at the brick and everything, other than the foundation, of course, it's higher than this house is, and of course the concrete slab that we have out front. What they did in the 1830s, I think 1836, the federal style is this. This is the federal style. Chimney on each side, three windows up top, a window on each side, doorway in the middle. They moved the doorway, for whatever reason, to the left. So when you look at this house versus the Quisenberry house, they're identical. So let's go inside, and now I can explain why the bedroom had two doors in it. Boy, I'm stupid. Okay, so using the Quisenberry house, there used to be a door right here, and I kept saying to myself, because they had put a wall right here. There was a wall right here, and there was the hallway, and I was like, why do they have two doors to the bedroom? Didn't make sense until I saw the back of the Quisenberry house. That was a window. And so now you can see window, 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 addition put on, became two doorways. So as we go in, I'd say you'd be able to see it, but above this doorway, there's a header there, and because we were trying to make it equal, right there, the bricks were filled in. They didn't do a real pretty job on it because they plastered it. But this would have been the window. Makes sense now. Makes a lot of sense now. Go figure. Still learning stuff about this house on a daily basis on things that they did and why they did what they did. I don't know why that didn't hit me, but it makes sense now. It makes so much sense now. Okay, here's what I love. Every day, seeing the sunset from up here. It is a beautiful sight here at the Red Brick House. The house is always illuminated very, very well, with the windows here facing the west, and of course the windows on that side facing the east. It stays well lit in here. That's why the plants seem to love it so much, although my wife has added some more grow lights. All right, have a great day, people. Peace.